Hi friends, today we are going to see while loop. So while loop is where we can execute a set of statements as long as a condition is true. So let's see the example of it. Say for example, I have a variable called I which is equals to 1. I'm keeping it, and then I declare it while I have to print numbers between 1 to 8. Well, I is less than 8. Okay, then we have to print the number, like print I. Correct. So this will be printing till I is less than 8. So here initially we have set I to be 1. So 1 is less than 8, then print 1. It will be printing 1. Then next again we have to set I to be 2, right? We have to increment the value of I. So we do it by I plus equals to 1. It means it is actually I equals to I plus 1. It is actually I equals to I plus 1, but we don't write it this way, we write it this way. Okay, so let's run. We have to write this, we have to increment the value of I, otherwise it will be looping indefinitely, because I is less than 8. When it is 1, it is definitely less than 8. It will be executing continuously, it won't be stopping here. Okay, for I to stop we need to increment. So once I will be 9, it will be executing, it will be stopping the execution. Okay, let's execute. So we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. We have a break statement. Means if my I is 1, it's less than 8, and then we are incrementing and we are printing this, right? So we are getting this output, correct? But if I want to break at 4, if I want to break at 4, then what I have to do is, before this, I have to write a statement again. If I is exactly equals to 4, then break. Then let's execute this. It means if this condition is true, then we can break the loop. So break is actually important statement, because where if we are if the expressions, if the statements are being true, then we have to exit the loop. Okay. Then we have one more thing, we have else in while loop. It is, maybe it is introduced in Python only. So if I have to write else, I can write else. We have even seen in my previous video of if else, but here in while loop also we have else. Okay, so when does it goes in the else part? If the, for example, I is greater than 9, then it will be executing else part. Let's print something. Let's print some string. It is like inside else part. Okay, let's execute. Okay, so after 7 it goes to 8, like it goes to else part. Okay,